Welcome to IAS Academy. Prior to the 2022 preliminary exam, we will cover 15 previous year MCQs daily in a video. That is a total of 2500 plus MCQs before the exam. So, let's start the session. Our first question is: the term Yavanapriya mentioned in ancient Sanskrit text denoted. Options are ivory, pepper, a fine variety of Indian muslin, damsel sent to the Greek court for dance performance. Here, answer to this question is option B, pepper. Yavanas were Indo-Greeks. They liked pepper, which was grown in India and surrounding parts of Southeast Asia. Had a lot of demand in ancient Roman Empire. That is why pepper was known as Yavanapriya. Question number 2. Consider the map given below. The route indicated in the map was followed during the course of his military exploits by option A. Chandragupta II, option B. Harshavardhana, option C. Rajendra Chola, option D. Malik Kafur. Here, answer to this question is option D. Malik Kafur. Alauddin Khilji sent Malik Kafur, popularly known as Hazardinari, for southern expedition and he reached up to Kanyakumari. Question number 3. The word Adivasi was used for the first time to refer to the tribal people by option A. Mahatma Gandhi, option B. Thakkar Bappa, option C. Jyotiba Phule, option D. B.R. Ambedkar. Here, answer to this question is option B. Thakkar Bappa. Amrit Vittaldas Thakkar, popularly known as Thakkar Bappa, was an Indian social worker who worked for upliftment of tribal people in Gujarat state in India. He became a member of the Servants of India Society founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale in 1914. Question number 4. The term Apabhramsa was used in medieval Sanskrit text to denote option A. Outcast among the Rajput, option B. Deviation from Vedic rituals, option C. Early forms of some of the modern Indian languages, option D. Non-Sanskrit verse matters. Here, answer to this question is option C. Early form of some of the modern Indian languages. Apabhramsa in Sanskrit literally means corrupt or non-grammatical language, which deviates from the norm of Sanskrit grammar. It denotes dialects prevalence in the Ganges region. Question number 5. Which one of the following is the continent with the highest mean elevation in the world? Options are Antarctica, North America, Asia and South America. Here, answer to this question is option A, Antarctica. Antarctica is the highest continent on the planet with an average elevation is about 2500 meters above sea level. The elevation of Antarctica at the South Pole is 9300 feet. It is located in the South Pole region. Its eastern side is more elevated than the western side. Without the ice cover, Antarctica would rank as one of the lowest elevation continent on the earth. Question number 6. Which one of the following mountain range is spread over only one state in India? Options are Aravalli, Satpura, Ajanta and Sahyadri. Here, answer to this question is option C, Ajanta. Ajanta mountain range is a short range which spreads within Maharashtra. Ajanta is found in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Aravalli ranges covers Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and Gujarat. Satpura ranges are found in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Sahyadri range starts from Gujarat, Maharashtra border and crossing Goa, Karnataka and it reaches Kerala tip up to Cape Comrie. Question number 7. The 2004 tsunami made people realize that mangroves can serve as a reliable safety hedge against coastal calamities. How do mangroves function as a safety hedge? Option A. The mangrove swamps separate the human settlements from the sea. Option B. The mangrove provides both food and medicines. Option C. The mangroves serves as an excellent shelter during cyclone. Option D. The mangrove trees do not get uprooted by storms and tides because of their extensive roots. Here, answer to this question is option D. The mangrove trees do not get uprooted by storms and tides because of their extensive roots. Mangrove forest stabilizes coastline, reducing erosion from subwaves and tides. The intricate root system of mangroves also makes these forests attractive to fishes and other organisms seeking food and shelter from predators. Question number 8. Who among the following have the right to vote in elections to both Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha? Option A. Elected members of the lower house of parliament. Option B. Elected members of the upper house of parliament. Option C. Elected members of the upper house of state legislature. Option D. Elected members of the lower house of state legislature. Here answer to this question is option D. Elected members of the lower house of the state legislature have the right to vote in elections to both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not an instrument of selective credit control in India? Option A. Regulation of consumer credit. Option B. Rationing of credit. Option C. Margin requirements. Option D. Variable cost reserve ratios. Here answer to this question is option D. Variable cost reserve ratios. Variable reserve ratio, that is cash reserve ratio, is aimed to control volume of credit only. It do not control both volume and purpose of credit for which bank gives loans. Qualitative method and selective control method are used for this purpose, and it has a number of limitations. Question number 10. Which one of the following is true regarding Jawahar Rozgar Yojana? Option A. It was launched during Prime Ministership of Indira Gandhi. Option B. It aims at creating 1 million jobs annually. Option C. The target group of JRY are the urban poor living below poverty line. Option D. Under the scheme, 30% of the employment generated is reserved for women. Here answer to this question is option D. So the people below poverty line were target group for employment under JRY. The preference was given to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and free bonded laborers. Under the scheme, 30% of the employment opportunities were to be reserved for women in rural areas. Question number 11. Optical fiber works on the principle of option A. Scattering, option B. Interference, option C. Total internal reflection, option D. Refraction. Here answer to this question is option C. Total internal reflection. When the ray of light interferes with a less dense medium and when the angle of incidence exceeds a critical angle, complete reflection of a light ray takes place is called total internal reflection. Question number 12. Which of the following fuel causes minimum environmental pollution? Options are hydrogen, coal, diesel and kerosene. Here answer to this question is option A. Hydrogen. When hydrogen burns, it becomes water vapor. There are no carbon or other compounds released into the atmosphere. There are various compounds including carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide released when other fuels are burnt. Question number 13. Most of the desert plants bloom during night time. Due to which of the following reasons? Option A. Their blooming is controlled by low temperature. Option B. They are sensitive to the phase of moon. Option C. The desert insects eat away flower during daytime. Option D. The desert insects are active during night time. Here answer to this question is option D. The desert insects are active during night time. In desert conditions, most of the activity of the plants and animals happens during the night because of very high temperature in the daytime. The desert insects make themselves active and pollinate the flowers at night. To attract the insects, most of the desert plants bloom during the night. Question number 14. Low temperatures, that is cryogenics, find applications in option A. Space travel, surgery and magnetic levitation. Option B. Surgery, magnetic levitation and telemetry. Option C. Space travel, surgery and telemetry. Option D. Space travel, magnetic levitation and telemetry. Here answer to this question is option A, that is space travel, surgery and magnetic levitation. In physics, cryogenics is the study of production of very low temperature and behavior of materials at those temperatures. Application of cryogenics are in MRI. MRI is a method of imaging objects that uses a strong magnetic field. Cryogenic liquids are also used in space programs and used to supply banks storing eye, corneas, bloods and sperms for future surgical procedures, etc. Question number 15. For which sport is the Walbacher Cup awarded in the Olympic Games? Option A. Swimming. Option B. Boxing. Option C. Long jump. Option D. High jump. Here the correct answer to this question is option B. Boxing. Walbacher Cup awarded in the Olympic Games for boxing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will continue with the set 6 tomorrow.